Secondly, I am a young person and I believe it's high time we embrace technical skills because they pay more than these suits we are wearing. It's about wewe kujipanga. I don't want to be long on this, but thank you for your family and giving back to the community in such a way. The security agencies, the DCC and your people, we want to appreciate because you have supported this cause and for making sure that we are safe. Abantu baminto ba esise muna indo kuira Professor Nyamwange ne familia ya Kiara ai mukyoko bwo banye to bwati ndamwa mutokore iga Professor Nyamwange bya mole na kitako mote ako ile ngumbu. Asante. So somehow for this one, and I've seen it very subsidized, renta abana basomoro ingo korera amalieta ne Joel Ombongi yangao ekerango etingoroko nchomo MCA obokera ward iga igabonante nina ninkande omubaka Samuel Ogutu omosa moina oyo opposite meche school ino mwawatatu kuna to kwana iga my father no ara nere una iwo mubero benka morenta igo tindinka igo kimurankune mwarango mwakune osewana. Thank you. I don't have much to say. Your Excellency, thank you for finding time to come and grace this. It is part of our development agenda. Abantu baminto siasa tuaranye tiga karatawa kwa bintu bune nduka ete tusikebune county asencherende yonse muntu gachirene karenga libuneke eto komosira eragendere gusikabuna abantu wow bali bande babwate siasa iska aseke gusi kunerere abantu abaminto bamumbu bayo aseke gusi oyo bwato bote bwoko nyoma no muntu magende gusigana yo monyi gwete muntu bwate bote bwoko nyoma natumu gusigana yo monyi gwete mbara bali babwata bote bwoko nyoma abantu batomire genda musigane bayikira baunjoye omukungu obero yabo ndo banchere etoko baura kwa nguvu gabana etachabo ko nguvuga igabana kuoga una ento metenga itokobeka wetani yabo. I don't have much. I appreciate. I've also come and met this one on my seat, Prof. This needy student kitty form. I may not be very rich to give it in form of dollars, but I can give it in Kenyan shillings. I've given 5,000 to this course so that one student can benefit. I'm a product of well-wishers. I'm a product of the community. And if I do this, one day my child will also be assisted. Thank you. May God bless you.